Welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be showing you how to hide Gmail chats and space taps on Android. The Gmail app on Android includes a Chats and Spaces section that can be useful for some users, but others may find it distracting or unnecessary. Luckily, Gmail allows you to hide these sections in just a few simple steps. Here's how. Step 1. On your Android phone or tablet, open the Gmail app. Step 2. In the top left corner, tap on the menu icon. Step 3. Scroll down to the bottom, then tap on Settings. Step 4. Choose your account. Step 5. Scroll down to Chats and tap on it to uncheck it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to hide the Chats and Spaces sections in the Gmail app on your Android device. It's important to note that if you hide the Chats and Spaces sections, you won't be able to access them without re-enabling them in the Settings menu. So, if you use these features regularly, you may want to leave them visible. Hiding the Chats and Spaces sections can help to streamline your Gmail experience and reduce any unnecessary distractions. This can be particularly useful if you use Gmail for work or productivity and need to stay focused on your emails. In conclusion, hiding Gmail chats and space taps on Android is a quick and easy process. By following the steps we've outlined in this tutorial, you'll be able to customize your Gmail experience and remove any distractions that may be impacting your productivity. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.